guys, it's Emily here. So welcome back to another spooky mail unboxing video. I'm super excited for this, and as you can tell, I have a cute black cat show on, and my makeup is pretty dark today. Ignore if it looks a little messed up because I was eating and stuff like that, and it's like 1 o'clock in the morning. But yeah, I'm super excited to open this stuff up. So I got 2 packages here. I'll show you guys them. So this is what they look like. This one I actually got on Valentine's Day is Halloween theme. And I wanted to open it up. I wanted to save it for this video and save it for when I get this package. This is actually from one of my favorite Etsy. It is from the Moon Beads shop. Super excited to open this because I actually ROM'd this. So yes, super excited. So but I'm gonna actually unbox this one first because I've been waiting for this actually for a while. I got it from another Etsy shop. Let's see if it says here. Oh, 12 months of October. That's also the Instagram, whole Instagram, and also shop on Etsy as well. So I'm super excited. I think the packaging is really cute. I really like it. So hopefully I can get this open without any scissors because I forgot my scissors. So let's try to open this. Oh, I actually got it. And so if you hear my cat running around, he's going nuts. As you can tell, he's a big part of my video. Okay. So I thought this thing was going to be bigger than this, but I'm kind of glad it's not because I really love smaller things. So I'm just going to show you guys it because I like things to be a surprise before I tell you. So, oh no, this is actually kind of big. Ooh, here it is. It's in bubble wrap. You probably can tell what it is a little bit, but you don't see it fully. Oh my god, this is so cute. So this is what it is. It's made out of wood, and it has a thing in the back to hang it with. Well, it has black string on it, and it says 12 months of October. Like I said, that is the shop. I don't know if you guys can see it because it's really black. And it has a card in there as well. And of course, this is the item. I'm actually going to take a photo of this, and then I'll come back. Okay, so I'm ready to show you guys what this is. I'm going to back up a little bit. So I think the packaging is really cute. I love how they display. And look, it even says a thank you on this. I think that's really cute and creative. And then I want to show the card to you guys. So this actually says, because I was not good, you see this finest or rich is after me. Be good. So I guess this is just like a cute little thing. I thought this was a business card, but it's just like a cute little thing. And I think that's really cute. I'm actually going to hang that up in my room. That's really cute. I love these like little detail things. And of course it has a black cat to it, so I love it. But this is what I got, and I love the black ribbon. I feel like I can use that for like a craft thing. So this is really cute. So it says be creepy with me. I just think that's really cute. It's in a heart shape, and like I said, it was for Halloween. I don't know what he's doing. It's for Halloween. And she also had one say something about I'll meet you at the graveyard, and she had a bunch of them, but I thought this one would be really cute for any occasion, like just to hang up like on your door before someone walks in, or like around your decorations for Halloween, because hey, be creepy with me, join my creepiness of Halloween and my addiction and my spookiness. So yeah, so I think this thought it was just gonna be like a cute sign, and I really wanted to test her shop out, and I really want to order actually another thing from her. But yeah, this is just really cute. I really like this. I think it's really cute, and I love how just like simple, and you know, it's just the right size. It's like too small, not too big. It's just the right size. So I really like this. So let's move on to the next thing. This is the thing I won. Super excited. So long story short, I'm going to fix my camera. My camera keeps moving. This minute was jumping on and off my bed. But anyways, so she was doing these giveaways, and I thought they were like really cute. And she did this one for the skull necklace, and I wasn't gonna end no, but I was like, my co-worker, she loves skulls, and I think this would be so cool to get her this necklace, because she actually made me this stuff, she crocheted, I think it's called, this big stuffed bat for me, and it's super cool. I have it in the video of my what I got for my 20th birthday. But yeah, so I really want to get her something special, and like I understand like how much this stuff costs because she hand makes them and stuff, but it is expensive in a way, and I would like to get her other things, so winning this definitely helps. And I'm super excited to unbox this. So yeah, I'm giving this to my coworker. That's what I was gonna do anyways, because I actually have a black scar necklace from her. She actually sent it for me for free when I ordered something from her. So I do have one for myself too that I mean I didn't win it, but I guess you could say like, no, I did get it for free. So yeah, I'm very grateful for that. So I'm just gonna open this up, and I love getting packages from her too. Like she always packages them so cute. But yeah, I'm super excited to open this up. I'm like trying to do this with scissors. Things are sticking to me. I have it like halfway open. Okay, I have it open. Sorry guys, I'm like flinging it so much. I just don't want to like show the address, you know what I mean? So like I said, this is from the Moon Beach shop on Etsy. So open this up. So this is what it looks like. Really cute. Has string. I love the detail. And of course, this is her card. It has two of them. This one says enjoy. This is a thank you, and then it says enjoy on the back. And then this is her like this is her business card. Sorry if you guys can't see that. Midnight's meowing. And then let me show you guys this one. I don't know if you guys really saw it that well. But yeah. So this is a thank you card. And then this one says thank you. Little sticker. So let's see what this looks like. I'm just gonna take the ribbon off this way. As you know, the ribbon's really cute. And then this way I can put the ribbon back on when I get for the box. So I'm gonna show you guys first what it looks like. So, oh, okay. That doesn't help. So that's what it looks like. Oh my god, this is so cute. And it has glitter. This time I did not spill it, because last time I had one, it has like little glue. It had like hearts last time, I think, or was it from another person, and it like went all over my floor. It was like a disaster, but I caught it this time. But yeah, this is really cool. I think she's gonna love this. I love the background it has. Like, it's really cool. Hope you guys can see that. But yeah, you can hear Midnight drinking in the background. But yeah, it's really cool, and it is orange, and then it has like white in it. And then it also has some pink in it as well, and it has like a pink dot in the middle, and it just has different colors. It definitely looks cool from this one side. You can see a whole bunch of like design in it. I'm sorry if it's hard to see. These details really hard to like show on camera. It's like better when you see it in person kind of thing, which still looks cool on camera, but I mean, like, you know what I mean, it looks really cool when you see it in person. So yeah, I think this is so cool. I think she's gonna love this necklace. She told me she likes chunky necklaces too, so I'm hoping like she will absolutely love this. I think it's really cool. So yeah, I think she's gonna love this. Her birthday's not until May. It is like February, but like, hey, you know what I mean? Nice to plan ahead. So I cannot wait for her to see this, because you know what I mean? Like, I really appreciate what she made for me, and even though I'm not as artsy as her at all, I cannot do anything like that. This is something as like to say thank you, and plus I'm going to get her other gifts, like I said. So yeah, I think this is really cool. Is really neat, and I love this sign. I'm definitely going to order some more stuff from her as well. Again, this is 12 months of Halloween on Instagram and on Etsy, and this is at the Moon Beach shop as well. on Instagram. On Etsy, I think it's the same on Instagram as well. I'm not too sure, but if you follow me on in our town of Halloween, that's my Halloween account. You will find her tagged in my posters that I post on my chubby bags that I got. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. So yeah, stay spooky, or should I say stay creepy.